Hello beautiful people, welcome to Yard Abroad with Erica, guys. So guys, I have some fruit over here that if you watch my pantry haul, usually I post what I get from pantries. But guys, guys, where I live is so hot. Hey, so I'm just gonna do, you see all this fruit, guys, I don't want to waste all these fruits. I don't want them to spoil. And so guys, I'm just gonna cut them up, wash them, and I'm gonna make a juice. I'm gonna blend them out, juice them out, or strain them out, and then I'm gonna put them in my freezer. So if I want to make some juice, I just defrost them and make juice. So guys, come along with me. So guys, how are you guys doing? Excuse my manners as usual. How are you guys doing? Pray that you all are doing well. And so guys, I already cut up my pineapple. Yes man, I get a pineapple, and so it's not sweet enough to eat, so I'm just gonna cut it up, blend it up. So this already cut up. So guys, let's go. I have a mango here, I already peel the mango. So let's do the strawberry, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut off the bad part of the strawberry. So guys, right here I have some blueberry. So what I'm gonna do, the blueberry, I don't want them to spoil, guys, so I'm just gonna pour them in here. Just watch this, guys. Guys, it's a mix-up morning. So it's, guys, it's so hot where I am. When I say hot, 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 hot. So this is what I'm gonna do, guys. You just watch what I'm doing. Watch. I'm just gonna cut off the leaf parts, wash them off, and juice them. So guys, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for following the page. My Facebook people, thank you so much for following the page, liking the videos. I appreciate you for that. YouTube, thank you so much for liking the page. And for those who are sending comment, thank you so much for the comment, negative or positive. When guys, I rather you send me a positive comment. You know, don't be finding stuff to complain about on the channel. It's a positive vibe over here, and we want to continue with a positive vibe. If you come across the video, guys, please like, comment with a positive comment. Don't say negative stuff, alright? And tell me what I shouldn't have done, or why me using. One person said, why am I using AI to make my template, my thumbnail? Time change, we have to move on. Can't be always the same old. So guys, as I said right here, thank you so much for commenting, and for those who subscribe on the channel, thank you for subscribing, and those who are liking the videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. So guys, this is a way, if you have excess fruits and you know you're definitely not going to be able to eat it off, this is another way you could save them, cut them off, and make juice. You don't need the pulp, you just strain them through and keep them in zip bag in your freezer, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna, do what, something. Because guys, I don't like to waste stuff. I don't like to waste stuff. So that's why I'm doing this. Guys, how are you guys doing? Where you are, tell me where you're watching the video from. If it's hot, they tell me say it's hot. Where it's summer now, so partly everywhere is hot. Everywhere is practically hot right now. Guys, I'm telling you, when I say it's hot, very, very hot. So right there, cut off all the head of the strawberry. Cut them off. Cut them. Guys, don't waste food. Things are so expensive right now, and even though I get these free, I'm not gonna waste them. And sometimes when I leave the strawberry, I cut off these parts, but I still plant them to get the strawberry plant. But today, I don't know if I'm gonna do that because it is so hot. I don't even want to see outside, much as to go outside. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off the grapes. So you just pull them off. Guys, I don't have any space in my freezer for it, and that's why I'm using up everything, because I don't want them to spoil. So you just pick off the grapes off the stem. Just pick off the grapes. guys, I'm sweating. When I say I'm sweating, inside the kitchen feel like an oven, and the oven is not even on. Can you imagine? Last night I cooked and I used the oven to cook. It was so hot. When I say hot, hot, sweating hot. So this is what I'm gonna do. So when I'm doing this, guys, I'm gonna put a little soda in it, like a cream soda or something. One of them clear color soda that's gonna give it a little sparkling taste like soda. Sweeten it up and thing. Put some ginger and make your own juice. So guys, you're gonna make your own juice. If you can't make your own juice, make your own juice. So this is a lot of fruits, guys, and I definitely don't want it to spoil. And I know by Sunday I'm getting more fruits and vegetables. So that's what I'm doing. That's the deal over here. Okay guys, so you see a lot of them already fall off the stem. So I'm just gonna wash everything right here. That's a lot of fruits, right guys? That's a lot of fruits. Okay guys, so now that the fruits are all washed, my water is there. So my water is filtered water, guys. I don't use tap water to drink. Every time I have to filter my water. So this mango is green, guys. The mango not ripe, you know? The mango is not ripe, and so I'm just gonna blend it out instead of throw it out. I don't know, this mango is so young. As they would say in Jamaica, the mango young. So what? Alright guys, let's get into the blending. Oh gosh, guys, it's hot. Alright, let me see if I need much water. Do I need water? Oh, shine. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the fruits in the cup. Put it in the cup, guys. I'm gonna try not to put much. Let me see if I'm gonna try to blend it without much water. Oh, this blueberries taste sweet. Yes man, the blueberry is very sweet. Oh Lord, I put too much water. So guys, what I'm gonna do, blend them out and juice them. Blend them out and strain it out. Too much in there, guys, too much. Alright. It's too much in the container. So guys, I'm gonna strain it out in this. My phone wants to charge, guys, so I make it look like not enough light. So pour it out right there. So see guys, it just strain out it. Use a cheesecloth or something to get out the juice. I always end up put too much in the bag. So when you use this bag, guys, you take out everything. You don't have nothing, it's no fruits not going in there, it's just a liquid. I'm doing it this way, guys, because I don't want no fruits. No fruits. you know, can you imagine I spent $88 on buy a juicer? That juicer was going viral on TikTok, and I went on Amazon looked for the same juicer that they said was that good, and that juicer was a waste of money. It's situation like this why I buy the juicer. Juicer waste of time and money. Guys, I think I'm just gonna juice out all the fruits. Juice out all the fruits, and then I'll come back to show you, because you have an idea of what I'm saying.
It's on your skirt too.
What skirt?
The jeans one.
Jesus. Yeah. Get something and clean it off. Still watching, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe and share. Follow the page for Facebook fans. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do take care of yourself until next time, and have yourself a wonderful day.